Nothing happens out of place. We are part of this universe, woven into its rhythm, breathing inside its cradle. And yet, some days feel disconnected, like our thread got snagged somewhere between thought and reality. Maybe you have felt it, that sensation that you are not quite here, that your thoughts have built walls between you and everything else. But here's the deeper truth: we are not separate from the universe. We are in it, of it, moving through it, and being moved by it. Every moment is a pulse of influence. We act, the universe responds. The universe acts, we adapt. It's an unending loop, this dance of shaping and being shaped. Even when you feel apart, you are still deeply embedded. Even when you feel lost, the cosmos knows exactly where you are. Our disconnection often comes from thought, dominant ideas that pull us away from truth, from feeling, from flow. But those thoughts are not final. They are invitations, not to retreat, but to realign. When you feel distant, pause, breathe, touch the earth, look at the sky. Let one honest thought replace five spiraling ones. Because in that honest thought, you return to oneness. Ask yourself, what am I influencing right now? What energy am I absorbing from the world around me? Am I creating dissonance or harmony? We are not isolated nodes. We are vibrating threads of the same great web. When we remember that, peace flows back. So let this chapter remind you, disconnection is temporary. Oneness is permanent. Even your silence is heard by the universe. If this message helped realign you, share it. Subscribe and join the journey of life mooring. And tell me in the comments what thought helps you return to oneness.